Hey there, let's explore ChatGPT's image generator and try styles like Ghibli, Disney, Pixar, and many more styles, all using your iPhone with the latest iOS. First, you can try the text-to-image generators. Simply describe what you want to see and ChatGPT will create the image for you. The next process is edit an existing image. Got a photo? You can upload it and ask ChatGPT to make changes. Here's what that might look like. You can also edit the generated image if you want to change something or give new instructions, you can do that too. And the most exciting part, try trending image styles. You can request trending art styles. Just describe your scene and add a style like Studio Ghibli, Disney, Pixar art, and many more options. Just remind it, free users can generate only 3 images per day. If you reach that limit, you will need to wait until it resets. But if you are a ChatGPT Plus users, you can generate up to 50 images every 3 hours. But here's a bonus part for iPhone 15 and 16 users should check for unlimited image access. For that, you have to go to Settings, go for Apple Intelligence and Siri, scroll down to Extensions and tap ChatGPT. Then go to Use ChatGPT and you have to set up it from here. Just enable the feature and this can unlock unlimited image generation directly from your iPhone 15 and 16. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.